So what's up guys, and today I'm gonna show you a tutorial for how to add cards to your YouTube video. So one of my friend asked me how to do that in one of my videos, so here's the comment. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how to add cards to your video. So before we go, I would like you to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future content, and be sure to like this video if you enjoyed, and you could comment down anything below too. So let's go on with our tutorial. Okay, so firstly, what we're gonna do is go to one of your videos. So I'm gonna show two ways for how to do it after uploading your video and before uploading. So yeah, for example, click on this video, and after that, go to edit video, and after that, in this cards right here, click it. So yeah, in the first part, I add some cards right here. So I'm gonna show you guys some of it. So okay, so if you want to add a card after uploading a video, just go to cards and press this thing, and you could either add a video or a playlist or a channel. I'm gonna add a video. For example, this video. This is also a way of promoting your other's video from cards. Like, your viewers don't need to go to that video by themselves. The cards will just appear, and when they see the title and when they're interested, they'll just click the cards and they'll be automatically transported to that video. So using cards is a great way to promote your video or channel. So yeah, and you can adjust the timer from where you want that card to be by dragging this. And for example, if you add in here, it's gonna be in the front. So let's see. So here it's now in the front. So if you move it right here, it's gonna pop out right here. So if you click it, you'll be sent to that video. Okay, so now I'll show you the way when you're gonna upload something. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that. So when you're gonna upload something, just select something from your file. Okay, so for example, I select this, and after that, what we're gonna do is go to video elements and wait for this video to upload. And after the video is uploaded only, you can add the cards right here. As it says, you can complete this step after the standard definition version of your video has been processed. While you wait, you can close the screen or go to the next step. Okay, so firstly, you're gonna wait for this video to upload. So after it uploads, you can go to video elements and add an end screen or cards. So right here is a card. So I'm gonna fast forward a little until the videos get 100% upload. So yeah. Okay, so as you see now, we finished processing. So now we got it. And what I'm gonna show you is click this add cards right here, and a new screen will pop up, and you'll see these things exactly just like the first one we showed, and choose one of your videos. So this is an intro, so I'm gonna choose how to make an intro video. So I can move anywhere I like. If I move here, if I move it here, it's gonna pop up here. And also, when you click this, when viewers click this little eye thingy, they'll show the video thumbnail. And when the thumbnail is very interesting, like, yeah, they will click it. And for this, you can add a custom message or a teaser by yourself. So I'm gonna try adding something. So yeah, a teaser text is basically changing the title of your card. So what's a custom message? So yeah, it's when you click that. Okay, So now I just add it to the front because it's relevant for the intro. So yeah, and after you click save, it's gonna appear just like that. So that's all for today's tutorial.